So welcome to the session of Python. So we are going to install Anaconda, and as I told you, Anaconda is the distribution platform. It is the entire toolkit. It provides libraries of Python and IDE of Python, various libraries like Cbond, Matplotlib, NumPy, and various IDEs like Jupyter Notebook. Then you have Spider. Okay, so let's just install it. Okay, so what we will do is we will type Anaconda downloads in our Google, and then you can go to this link. Okay, so here you can see that anaconda.com products page has been opened. Okay, so now just scroll down. Here you can see the download option given. Okay, and just scroll down, so you can see here that these all packages will be installed. These all things like IDs, libraries will be installed. Okay, and means you don't need to install it again. So Anaconda, we will install for Anaconda. Okay, so now just let's go and download it. So just click on the download button. So you will be taken here Anaconda installers. You can see if you're working on Windows, then you need to click here. If you're working on Mac or Linux operating system, then use these links. Okay, so now again, if you want to know if I'm working on Windows 10 and my system is 64-bit. okay, so I will be going to this link. Okay, so if you want to check whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, then just go to start button and go to settings. Here click on system, and here in about you can see the info. So as I can see here, okay, I went to about, so I can see here that this my system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so now I will be going to this link. So you can see the download has started. I think I was